Welcome to Beautyistic. If you travel frequently or just need a reliable hair dryer that won't take up half your suitcase, this red INFINITIPRO by Conair Travel Hair Dryer might catch your eye. It's compact, powerful, and designed to make drying hair on the go as efficient as at home. This travel dryer packs 175 watts of power and features a professional AC motor, promising up to 50% faster drying times compared to standard dryers. Its twist-folding handle makes it incredibly compact, while the included concentrator and diffuser give you styling flexibility, whether you want sleek, polished looks or enhanced curls and waves. It also uses ionic technology for added shine and reduced frizz, along with ceramic technology to help protect hair from heat damage. You get 2 heat and 2 speed settings, plus a cold shot button to lock in your style, and a removable filter to prevent lint buildup. In my experience using this dryer, it was remarkably lightweight and easy to maneuver. The folding handle truly makes packing effortless, and despite its travel-friendly size, it delivers strong airflow that dries hair efficiently. I tested it on damp hair both in the morning rush and after workouts, and it managed to cut down drying time significantly. The ionic function did seem to reduce frizz, leaving hair smoother and shinier than with some other compact dryers I've tried. One minor note, the dryer can feel a bit warm to the touch during extended use, so I'd recommend pacing yourself for thicker hair types. What I love is how well this dryer balances power with portability. It's easy to use, heats up quickly, and the cold shot button is handy for locking in styles. On the flip side, the size of the dryer does limit airflow compared to full-size professional models, and using it on a shared circuit requires caution due to the 15-amp limit. But for travel or small spaces, it's incredibly practical. Considering the price, this dryer offers good value. You're getting professional-grade AC motor performance, ionic and ceramic technology, and compact convenience, all in one tool. When compared to other travel dryers in the market, it stands out for its power and styling versatility. Cheaper options may be lighter, but they often compromise on drying speed or durability. Conair's reputation for quality hair tools since 1959 gives extra reassurance that this dryer is built to last. The build quality feels solid, the folding handle locks securely, and the materials don't feel flimsy. With proper care, this dryer should maintain performance for years. While I haven't personally interacted with customer service, Conair is known for responsive support and reliable warranties, which is comforting if any issues arise. If you're looking for a compact dryer that doesn't sacrifice performance, the INFINITIPRO by Conair Travel Hair Dryer is an excellent option. It's ideal for travelers, gym goers, or anyone needing a reliable, high-quality dryer in a smaller footprint. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this dryer, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. The link to purchase can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.